Hi, welcome back to the Peter Rabbit remodel. I'm standing inside of a area where we're going to build a walk-in refrigerator using the CoolBot system. And with the CoolBot system, it comes out in several panels that we assemble. It'll be a 6x8 in size and about 7.5 to 8 feet tall. As you see, I'm standing in a dirt hole right now. And what we did here is we're going to lower this slab. We're going to re-pour a slab in here 2 inches lower than the existing slab, because we're going to bring hardwood floor in on top of underlayment for a total of 1.5 inches thickness. And the base of this refrigerator is 4 inches tall, so giving us a 2.5 inch difference. So if we lower the slab by 2 inches and allow about a 1/2 inch left over, that gives us enough space for the door to swing on this refrigerator unit once we install it. Also giving a better transition. Instead of placing it on top of the finished floor as it's designed to, we're going to build it in to make it look better finished in the space. In addition to the floor situation, we'll frame a wall above it, and we'll frame a wall to the side of it to fully enclose that unit and give it a flush look on the front where that door is. Over here, we're going to leave this window so we maintain the elevation outside. So we'll black out the inside, we'll get framed in here. This will just become dead space in here. Also in this room, we built our attic access up here. We relocated it from out in the kitchen space so we don't see it in the kitchen. So we put an attic access. We got a fire sprinkler going in. I put a remote shut off over here for the refrigerator that's in the kitchen. There's a water emergency in that space. We can access at this point easier to turn the water off to that unit without affecting the water flow in the entire house. Back to this walk-in unit, assemble these panels. On the back side here, the cooling mechanism for this refrigerator is actually just a wall mount or a window mount AC unit that requires 15 amps of power. A new power running here. Build a frame in a header, cut in an opening for that space, put the unit in through the hole. It'll cool inside the refrigerator, and it's controlled by Wi-Fi. You can hook up to your phone or whatever device you want to hook up to with it to monitor temperature. Our power access from outside, we'll put an access panel, and in that area as well, we'll put a privacy wall to hide this unit so we don't see that as we're pulling up to the house. This kit is relatively inexpensive for what we're using it for, but it's going to have a high quality finish when we're done with it. So we'll just take a minute, we'll walk outside, and I'll show you what it looks like on the outside, and then we can later get a good view of the finished quality or the finished product when we wrap up the whole thing. So over here, as you can see, this is a wraparound covered porch, and there used to be an access door here that went into what was the mud room and laundry room to the house. This is where the refrigerator will now become take space. So I'm gonna frame in, cut the stucco back. We'll put an opening in here about between 5 and 6 feet tall, depending on the scope on the refrigerator unit. We'll insert it here, and then we'll have an access panel down here for power, so we can get in there and service this unit without removing it. So once it's complete, it'll all be fully enclosed, stuccoed tight to the unit, and then we'll have a privacy wall here, the actual unit sticking out of the wall. So thanks for checking us out again at Peter Rabbit.